All right, guys, what's going on today?
Good.
What are you about to do? Tell me.
Jump out of a plane.
Oh my God, jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Yep.
Is this your first skydive?
Yep.
What's the occasion for this?
Birthday, anniversary tomorrow. Woo, that's my husband right here.
I can think of no better way to celebrate it. Your husband jumping?
No.
No?
Unfortunately.
Oh,
I wish
no.
he was, but he's a punk.
All right, he's a cheering section. No, that's okay.
Sure.
All right, you're going to go do great. You got Josh taking care of you, your
Yep.
instructor. You don't even look nervous.
Not yet, but wait till we get into the plane. We'll see.
We'll see later. Yeah, there's nothing to worry about. You're going to have a good time. All right, you ready to do this? You're going to back out on me.
Yep, ready.
You ready?
Yep.
Are you crazy or something?
Yeah.
Oh, good. We love crazy people here. How about this? How about we get on the airplane, go to 14,000 feet, 2.5 miles up that way, open the door, and throw you out of the beautiful blue sky. Are you ready?
Yeah. Woo, 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 woo,
What do you want to say to your friends watching this?
You better do this.
Better do it. Let's go skydiving.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken.
All right.
I know.
How was that?
That was awesome.
Wasn't it?
Yeah.
You look like you're having a real good time up there, weren't
I
you?
can't explain. There's no words for it.
No words. The only words are, let's do it again.
Yeah, let's do it again.
Congratulations.
Ah, woo.